In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a product label in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Canva front page, and then you want to log in, of course, and then you want to search for a label. And I like to actually start out with create a blank label. I will use templates, but I like to start like this. And as you can see, you have all the templates on the left side here. I have a coffee product that I want to create a label on. So I just want to search for coffee. And depending on your product, Canva have templates for everything. So actually I don't think it's no need to create a product label from scratch, but you can do that if you want. And let's try this one. I've seen this before, and I'll actually like this one. So the first thing I want to do is actually to get rid of these. And then I want to change the background, and we just click the background on the left side here. And I want to search for coffee, and I want to use this one with the coffee beans. And then I want to go to elements, and I want to search for coffee. And inside here I want to go to photos. Just if you want to see them all, just click see all. And I want to use this one. And I want to send it to the back. A little bit smaller. And I want to make this a little bit smaller. Like this. And I also want this one. Let's put this in the other corner. Yes, looks kind of good. And then I want to change this text right here. If you want, you can upload, if you have a logo, you can upload your own logo. I'm just going to change this text here. And I want to make the text a little bit smaller, like this. And then I want to change this text here. I want to get rid of this. And I want to change the website address here. Like this. I want to make it a little bit bigger. Yes, looks good. And I want to get rid of this barcode. And if you have your own barcode, you can actually upload it. And then I want to have this ingredients list here. I might want to update it later, but I don't have the ingredients list in front of me. And then I actually want to have a QR code on the top of this web address here. The way to do this is to go to the left side here, and then you find the QR code. And then I want to enter the URL. And then I want to generate the code. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And I want to have it on the top of the web address here. So this is actually how you design a product label using Canva. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.